Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So Slimming World continued. Been away for a month. I'll pop a little link here which will explain why and where I've been and what's been going on in my life, but I'm back and raring to go. So I got back to group yesterday. So as I said, it's been a month since I'd been, and so I was all really just totally focused 4 weeks ago, and then obviously life happens, and so all things considered, it's gone all right. So obviously I've not been following Slimming World all month, back in now, so I just determined to crack on. So I got weighed and pleasantly surprised to see no harm done, and actually half off. So although that's not what you kind of think for a first week weight loss, it's kind of like a restart really, just because of everything that's happened. So no damage done there. So looking to have a really good week, and obviously it'll be now, next weigh-in will be my first weigh-in of September, because I've had a little loss here, so that'll be good, that'll all count in. And I am going to set myself a challenge that I want to get slimmer of the month. So I don't know if I'll get it or not, but I really want it. So it's also really important really at the moment just to make sure, as well as eating well for myself, that obviously for my husband, and so that's my motivation now. Lots of good healthy food on the table, well, in bed for him, but and let's just get to where we want to be. Yesterday in group, it was lovely to be back. Lots of support and welcoming. It's just lovely. If you don't stay to group, do stay, because it makes such a difference. There's a tractor going by. Anyway, so I picked up a bit late really. I was meant to have picked up 3 weeks ago, but I got the new Take 5 book, which is great. So more than 60 recipes, it says, using just 5 ingredients for each recipe, and it looks really lovely. There's some great things, like there's like Shanghai chicken, peri pork. We've got all sorts of stuff, Bombay lamb sweet potato hash, beef teriyaki with 5 spice and noodles. What else is there? Spring greens mac and cheese, and another Cajun tuna with squished salad. So yeah, there's loads and loads of things. So if you'd like to see a separate video about this, let me know and I can do that. Also then we can maybe have a look at sort of doing a few recipes from it as well, just when I get a chance. But definitely if you want to have a little look at this, let me know. Or if you want to have a look at, if you want me to do a video of like all my Slimming World recipe books and things, then again I can do that, because I've got loads. So that's it really. Just wanted to touch base, explain where I'd been. I got such a great response 4 weeks ago from you, so thank you to everybody. Amazing. So lots of you are sort of really starting your journey. So because I've been missing for 4 weeks, for those of you that were joining like 4 weeks ago as well, roughly the same time as me, how have you got on? You know, are you doing really well? You should hopefully be well on your way with your weight loss, but do let me know, because I am interested, and love to know how you're getting on, if you're struggling, what's working well, favourite meals and things like that. So I am currently on the stove tonight. Stove, cooker, hob. On the hob, I'm just at the moment just part of the way through making my bolognese pasta bake. I actually think I might have done a video on it once. If I have, I'll link it here, or at the end. But I asked him what he wanted and he said that, so it's really easy. It's just minced onion, mushrooms, carrot, chopped tomatoes, beef stock, and then garlic, but Glenn doesn't like garlic, so we don't have garlic in it, and some mixed herbs or oregano, and then you sort of boil up your pasta separate, and then you sort of put it all in together, put some mozzarella on the top, bang it in the oven, and it's just beautiful. So it's a really nice pasta bake. Follow me on Instagram if you want to sort of see my food and things, what I'm going to be doing. So that's just Marcy's Slimming World is my username on Instagram. And that's it. So I'll be back next week. See if I can get Slimmer of the Week in the between now and then. All my little girlies, my lovely friends at Slimming World, we've all got a little chat group going on Facebook, and they all seem really motivated. So it's quite good. If someone's feeling motivated, it sort of motivates you as well. So yeah, as I say, welcome to everybody that's joining me, and welcome back for those of you that have been here for a bit. If you're just tuning in now, do subscribe, that'd be great, and then you won't miss any of my stuff. I have got other bits and pieces going on my YouTube channel as well, so just, if that's not for you, just ignore that. You know, it's like crafting things and beauty things as well and stuff too. So anyway, enough ramblies. So it's good to be back. See you all soon. And I'll tune in next week with my weigh-in results. It kind of be like a week one almost. So hopefully I'll get a good loss. And hope you all have a fab week. Hope you're good on the bank holiday for those in the UK. And I'll see you all next week. Bye guys.